Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, since 2023 we have seen there is a continuous downfall. Okay, and this downfall, after touching a level of $2117, we have seen a swing formed, and from there it is continuously upside. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart, $3 is a strong resistance. From there is a continuous downside. Okay, and a probability is very high. If this level didn't sustain, then a probability is there, we can see it can move further down. But if it sustain above this particular zone, then we can see it can touch again a level of 3, and if it crosses the level of 3, then we can see it can move further upside, because this third week of January 2023 we have not seen that this level has come. So chances are very high that we can see it can move further upside, as I've already explained you that if the price comes close in a range and if it crosses a range, then a probability of going further upside is there. If it down, then a probability of going further down is there. Okay, so now if you look at this, if you have any doubt regarding natural gold, silver or any other thing, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, now look at this particular chart. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, what we can see, it can go and touch a level of $2.750. This $2.750 is a weak resistance, so chances are very high it can touch a level of around $2.920, and from there we can see it can cross a level of $3. Keep this in mind. Once it sustain a level of $2.920, because this is a weak resistance, so chances of moving further upside is there. Then we can see a level of $3.3. This $3.3 is already a weak resistance, so chances are very high it can cross this particular zone, and we can see it can touch a level of $3.560. Okay, you have to keep this in mind, because once started moving upside and break a particular zone, then chances of going further upside is there. So once it sustain above 3, then a probability of touching 3.3 is there, and from there we can see level of 3.5, and once started moving upside, then we can see it can cross a level of $3.6 to a level of 3.9. okay, and once started moving above 3.9, then we can see it can move further upside, and I'll make another video if the price move over level of $3.5. Now as you can see that we were thinking that the price will continuously move upside, but as we have seen, there is a continuous upside movement was following, but we have seen that it has already formed a swing at this particular level. But overall trend, we can see it, you can say that it was moving in this particular zone for quite some time. Suppose if the price form an upside swing, as I've already explained you, but suppose if it form a swing downside, that means we have seen a red candle is forming, so chances can be high that it is already have crossed a resistance support, which is all the downside, and the next support we can see coming at around $2.573. Suppose if the price fall below that particular level of $2.573, then chances of touching $2.343 is there, and if that level also move further low, then our chances of going further low is there. Then we can see a level of $2.193. This $2.193 is a weak support, so chances are very high it can cross a level of around $2.117, and from there we can see it can move further upside. $2.117 is already a weak support, so chances are very high it can cross a level of $2 and can go towards a level of $1.8. You have to keep this in mind, because this level we have not seen since before pandemic only we have seen this level, so chances will be high that it will move in this zone. Now it is moving in this particular zone, so once it move below a level of $2, chances of touching a level of around $1.98 is there, and from there we can see a level of 1.783. so if the price fall below a level of $2, I'll make another video explaining you, or you can check my monthly video. Okay, see why most of the people do mistake, because they try to make double triple profit continuously for a continuous day. Okay, so what I think I teach in my workshop, you have to understand something, that the market is volatile, so you can make profit every day, but you have to be very careful. Okay, but sometime if you didn't make profit, relax for the day. So I teach how to overcome all these things. Suppose if you're trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Okay, that is 1,000 to 1,500. Okay, take a risk of 0. That is $50 to $100. Suppose if you took 5 trades also, maximum risk you can take is $500. Relax for the day if you lose all 5 trades. Now what people do is they lose so much, they lose 5,000, 3,000, and they try to recover on the same day. and in that process they lose their full capital. Then they think, yeah, the market is not good. You are not taking care of your capital. If you save your capital, then only you can make the money. If again and again you have to bring the capital, if you lose the full capital. So I teach how to overcome all these things. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timings. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.